So today what we're going to look at is a half sideways parabola. Okay. So from last lesson we looked at the sideways parabola, and it's going to have a general look a bit like this. So we've got the vertex. I didn't actually mean that to be on the axis, but HK, and so it's going off to the right there. Now half sideways parabola is in the form of, let's get back black, y is equal to a square root x minus h plus k. What you may have noticed last lesson is we did have a plus or minus at the front of the a, and we're not looking at that today. So if a is greater than 0, we get the top half. So essentially we get going up just there. Now if a is less than 0, okay, it's the bottom half. And both times here the vertex is actually included. Okay, so the vertex from last lesson is HK. And the other thing is, if we have a bit of a reflection in the y-axis and goes off to the left, it's going to have this sort of form, h minus x plus k. And so this is a reflection in the y-axis. And sort of goes to the left. I can't spell tonight. Okay, so let's have a quick look at a couple of examples. So the first one I'm going to look at is going to be y is equal to 3x plus 1 minus 6. Now the first thing I probably should do is write down the general form straight underneath, plus k. Okay, there's a few things let's work out. So the first one is a is equal to 3. So clearly this is greater than 0, so it's going to be the top half only. HK, which is our vertex, is equal to minus 1 minus 6. Okay, so we've got our Cartesian plane, x and y, minus 1 minus 6. Oops, I thought that was blue. Here we go, let's make it blue so we'll keep the colours consistent. Okay, pen, minus 1 minus 6. So what we're going to see is we're going to see the top half, so let's find out a couple of intercepts. So first one, let's do the y-int. So x is equal to 0, it's a bright green, isn't it? So y is equal to 3 square root of 0 plus 1 minus 6. That's equal to 3 square root 1 minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 6, which is equal to negative 3. So negative 3 is about there. The other one we're going to do, not as purple, we're going to do the x-intercept. Y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 3 x plus 1 minus 6. Let's add 6 to both sides. Let's divide by 3, square both sides, and subtract 1. X is equal to 3. Okay, so it equals to 3 there. And so with our parabola, what we're looking at doing is going in that general direction. So let's have a look at a second example. Black pen. So this one's a little bit different. So y is equal to minus 2 square root 9 minus x. First thing I'm going to do, write down general form straight underneath. I'm going to write down h minus x plus k. Just to acknowledge it is going to go to the left. Okay, so let's put down a couple of values. So a is equal to negative 2. So we're looking at the bottom half. H k is equal to, okay, well, let's sort of picture that as equal to plus 0. So now we can say, well, hang on a minute. We've got that as 9, 0 as our vertex. Let's do a couple of intercepts. So y-int x equals 0. So let's say y is equal to minus 2 square root of 9 minus 0 is equal to minus 2 times 3, which is equal to minus 6. The last one we could look at, probably don't need to, but just for habit, y equals 0. 0 is equal to minus 2 square root of 9 minus x. Multiply both sides by negative 2, and negative 2 times 0 is 0. Square both sides, and surprise, surprise, we get x equals 9, which also was, of course, our vertex. Yeah. Okay, so let's graph that one up. So we've got x, we've got our y, we've got our vertex here, 9, 0. So it's about 9, 0. We do know it's going to go to the left. Okay, it's going to be the bottom half. The other thing that we also know is a y-intercept, which is about minus 6. And so let's point through. We're going to have a red one today. There we go. So that's our half sideways parabola.